next we'll see how to create a word map. So without much ado, let's move to our Tableau worksheet. So this is how a word map looks like. For creating a word map, we need to have a dimension and we need to have a measure. So this is how a word map looks like. This word map, if you try to understand over here, the size of the word tells me that in the California the sales are the highest, and the color over here it depicts, and also the color over here depicts that the sales are highest. So over here if you see on this scale, the ones which are having light color, they are having less sales, and the ones which higher color are having more sales. So in this way it shows that the sales in California is highest. I just wanted to give you a overview. We'll create it from scratch. Just give me a minute. So basically a word map is used to show the relationship between a dimension and a measure. So if I supposedly select a dimension category and press control and select a measure as profit, then the type of visualizations which are available to me are all of these. I have more than 8 visualizations. I have fact bubbles, box plots, and then bar charts, stacked bar charts, pies, highlight tables, heat maps, text tables, and more. So but in case I don't want to use these, I want to create my own word map, so I can do that as well. The funda is quite simple. I'll start from scratch over here. If I just wanted to plot them out, I can, but I would just like to create a word chart. So for that, what I'll do is, first of all, I'll take this category over here, place it on text map. Okay. So I've placed this category on the text map. After placing this category on the text map, since I wish to plot the regions, I wish to plot the relationship between these sales across states corresponding to profit. I want to plot the relationship between states and profit. So when I select the two, I get these options. Okay, but in case I don't want to use these options, I don't want to plot it using map, I want to plot it using words, I can do that as well. So for that, what we have to do, first simply select the geolocation you want, okay, and place it on the text. Over here you have placed it. Now you've got all of these text, but in quite simple formats. Just a second, I'll move it on the word map. We'll use this worksheet. Okay. We are taking the states, and I'm placing that geo or type field on the text. Then I'll be so it appears as a plain simple text. Okay. This is plain vanilla text. These are the all names of all the states I have. Then I would like to view these state names based on the profit. So this profit field I'll place on the size. So although we don't want this, but we have got some sort of a heat map over here. Now what I have to do is, using the sales, I have to also show the colors over here. So this is how it's looking as of now. Now what we want is, we'll have to change this visualization heat map, which is automatically coming, into text. It will take some time to convert, and this is the visualization we wanted. We have created a word map, and what this map is showing is, this map is showing all the states, and the states which have got highest sales, their size is the largest one. Okay, and the states with minimal sales are having the like this state Texas had the minimum profit, so it's showing me the smallest size, and based on sales, if I say, its sales were somewhere around this value, so it's showing over there. So over here, this word map shows me the states of the name of all the states, and based on their size we can decide what was the profit generated by them. Okay, and based on their color we decide what was the sales generated by them. So over here, the states which are giving the highest size, they are the ones which gave me highest profit. Okay, California, Washington, New York. And the states with minimum size are the ones which gave me minimum profit, like Texas, Ohio. And in terms of sales, if I would like to see this, the states which give me highest sales are the ones which have colors like these. So that is California, Washington, New York. And a state which gave me highest sale but still the profit was low, that is Texas. So over here the sales are still high, but the profit was low. That's why it is showing small, but the color is red. So in this way we can plot a word map, and the size of the word map over here is depicting the profits, and the color of the words is depicting the sales. So I hope it's clear to you guys how to create a word map.